I'm here at the Orcas Food Co-op and I'm excited to announce we're raising money to install a new generator.
Disaster preparedness is important, and as islanders we need to rely on each other, and we want to make sure that you can rely on your co-op to be a warm, safe, dry place for you to gather with your community.
The new generator will be hardwired directly into a distribution panel that will power our lights, registers, offices, community space, and all our refrigeration to ensure we're set up to meet all of our community's needs.
Hey, from all of us at the co-op, thanks for helping us reach our fundraising goal.
Please help the co-op so that we can have warm sausage rolls and cold chocolate milk for life.
This co-op, this amazing co-op of ours, it needs a generator. And if each of us in this incredible community pitch in just a little bit, they can get a new generator. Our food will be fresh and all of us will be happier.
Thanks for helping us reach our goal.
Thanks for empowering your co-op.